Welcome, engineers. Today we're examining the Automation ROI and Payback Period Calculator, a critical tool for evaluating whether your automation investment makes financial sense. This calculator determines if your automation project will deliver positive returns by comparing equipment costs against labor savings over time. Let's explore each input field. First, equipment cost in dollars. Enter your total upfront investment for automation hardware, software, and installation. Next, annual labor savings in dollars. Calculate how much you'll save yearly by reducing manual labor hours. Then, annual maintenance cost in dollars. Include preventive maintenance, repairs, and spare parts. Finally, system lifespan in years. Estimate how long your automation system will operate effectively. Here's a realistic example. For equipment cost, I'll enter $100,000 for a robotic welding cell. Annual labor savings is $50,000, replacing one full-time welder position. Annual maintenance cost is $8,000 for quarterly servicing and component replacements. System lifespan is 10 years, typical for industrial robotics. Now I'll click Calculate ROI. The ROI percentage shows your return on investment as a percentage of initial cost. This tells you how profitable your automation project is compared to keeping manual processes. A positive ROI means you're saving money. The higher the percentage, the better your investment performs. Here's a critical insight. Many engineers underestimate maintenance costs. Always buffer your annual maintenance cost by 20% to account for unexpected repairs and downtime. Find the link in the description below.